Hi, Pat here. I have a JVC turntable, model QL A5. It's a quartz lock direct drive turntable, and it's not in too bad a shape. Everything looks pretty decent. There are some marks in the top, so it does work. And everything looks pretty good on it. And get down here. Strobe seems to lock in pretty good. Let me switch to 45. And it locks in pretty good. There's a button here. It doesn't get pushed. There's some kind of speed control here, pitch control. Why you want to change the speed of your album, I don't know, but it's on there. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's up with that button. I took the cartridge off just for its own well-being. This mat comes right off. And this will pull right off. It's a nice heavy platter. And there really ain't much to see. You know, there are some adjustments there. Not too sure what they're for. Here's the inside of this turntable. Quite a bit of electronics in here, mainly just to control the platter speed. And right there, that's the switch that button controlled. And that button just isn't moving. So I need to take that apart. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned. Yeah, it turned out something must have been spilled in this thing. Took me a little bit to get this thing out. I sprayed a little Windex on it. I don't want to use anything too nasty, but yeah, you can see something was spilled in there. So clean it up. Switch is working well. So I'll get that cleaned up, get it back together. I got that back in there, and now it's working as it should. Easy fix. I got things back together, and the strobe is holding solid. I got 33 RPMs right now. If I go up to 45, you notice this prism turn red for a little bit until it gets locked in and it'll turn back green. And go down to 33, and it's a little slower, but it will lock in and turn green. I did get this button fixed, and when I push it, notice the prism turns red, and right there you got a little speed control. Why, I don't know where they put that there, but let's play a little music here. I don't know why anybody would like to do that, but they put it in there for a reason. But this turntable's looking good. I did have one other problem. Let me shut this down. This hinge here in this cover, the spring was popped out. I put some epoxy in there just hoping it will hold and stay in place, otherwise the lid doesn't stay open. I got the cover back on, and here's that hinge, and right now the lid will come up and it'll stay open. I don't know if that thing just wants to pull on that and pull it out. Only time will tell. That's something I'm really not sure about. But this turntable came out quite nice. And everything is looking good. Thanks for watching the video.